Hi guys, my name's Ben from Flow Brackets, and today we're going to be showing you how to put number plates onto the back of a brand new G Series X5. If you haven't already checked out our front installation video, go and check that out now. But for today, we'll be concentrating on the rear. Now, on the rear of almost every BMW, you're going to find these two holes in the middle of this oval indentation that's usually found on the metal tailgate or boot lid. Now, these holes measure 232 millimeters from the center of this hole to the center of this hole. And we've designed all of our brackets to fit this, except for the very coveted heritage number plates that start from 3 digits and below. So if you have a 3-digit or double-digit or single-digit heritage plate, you might have to reach out to us for a custom bracket, but for everything else that's off the shelf, it'll fit. So let's start off with the smaller variant number plates, like our signature plates. We've got our signature bracket, and we've designed this to go and fit those holes in the back of every BMW, 232 millimeters apart. And subsequently, we've done that the same for the 3 to 4 character as well. So 3 to 4 character slimlines, this 3 to 4 character bracket will fit those two holes, and then you can bolt your 3 to 4 character plate onto that. And it becomes even simpler for our larger footprint number plates, like our standard bracket for a standard number plate. Just find the center line. If you choose to move it up or down, you can, but it will fit this bracket, and that is to fit standard number plates. If you have Euro plates, you'd grab our Euro premium bracket. Again, fits those holes 232 millimeters apart. We've actually got a line inscribed into every bracket that shows you where 232 millimeters apart is, so that you don't have to keep messing around or finding center. That line is already built into every bracket. Again, if you had heritage 6 digits, 5 or 4 digits, we have a bracket to suit those. So that will fit there as well. Again, the line indentation or inscribe will be on every bracket so that you don't have to find or measure where center is. But for today, we'll be installing slimlines using our SL2 bracket. So using the screws and spacer that's provided in every number plate fitting kit, just grab the 10 gauge self-tapping screw that is specifically designed and custom made to fit a BMW rear. So let's first loosely put these screws in, and then line up this scribe line into the middle of this bolt. Again, that is 232 millimeters apart, and that takes the measuring out of the equation for you so that you can get this perfectly center. By using the spacers, not only floats the number plate to give you that floating look, but it also makes sure that the number plate bracket and number plates don't touch the paintwork, and that reduces damages. And the final step will be to get your number plate onto the bracket. But before you get that done, make sure that you check out our range of optional accessories part of our ecosystem. For example, this customer has optioned for security screws or anti-theft fittings, and it makes it that little bit harder for thieves to steal your number plate. And that's the cleanest and most secure way to get floating number plates onto the back of almost every BMW. The best part about this is it is completely modification free, and that means that you don't need to drill into your number plate or into the BMW to fit number plates onto it. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.